We are the Swallowtails.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Prospero's Bell Tower. We're going to play our songs for you. This first one is called Lucky Penny. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's cash in our lucky pennies and spend the next years living in a van with our dog. These heads of copper coins don't mean much to others, but we find optimism in them. That house on Campbell Street will be here with the maple tree we planted in our yard. Our truest friends will understand the petty people we can leave behind in the dust. Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep mountains and horizons, and in the review mirror chasing orange orbital orbs. We'll spread our roots and keep our wings. We'll ground each other even with the change in our pockets. Granite peaks are calling out. The aspen leaves are dancing with the wind in our favor. We'll drink whiskey by the fire, and in the morning I'll promise you fields of wildflowers. Let's go. Let's go. Set our sails for the seaway. The sun continues to rise. If there's trouble, we will improvise. We'll go our pace, maybe go to space. I'll always love you till the end of our days. Let's go. slicing through the air. I feel that I'm in trouble.
might be my downfall. You might be a puzzle to me. I'm determined to find the pieces of your mind that make sense to me. History repeats and I know what I feel is telling me it's real, so I believe that parts of you are the parts of me. You know the way I love you, spirits having flow. You make me wanna go dancing even when I'm alone. And this might be my downfall. You might be a puzzle to me. I'm determined to find the pieces of your mind that make sense to me. History repeats and I know what I feel is telling me it's real, so I believe that parts of you are the parts. I'm determined to find the pieces of your mind that make sense to me, weaving in harmony, and I know what I feel is a constant real, so I believe that parts of you are the parts of me. I'm determined to find the pieces of your mind that make sense to me. History repeats and I know what I feel is telling me it's real, so I believe that parts of you are the parts. I'm determined to find the pieces of your mind that make sense to me, weaving in harmony, and I know what I feel is a constant real, so I believe that parts of you are the parts of me. Thanks.
You're feeling low and below all the others in this fucked up reality. You hold back tears, you bite your tongue. You can't be blamed for your vulnerability. I'm wanting you to put on a show when you're trying to figure out what's on your mind. You say, why can't you see this version of invisible me? Why can't you see this version of invisible me? Broken glass paths you've been before, Sifting and searching for a place soft under sand. Misunderstood, you isolate. You can't be blamed for your need to communicate. They're wanting you to fit their mold when you're screaming out and growing wild. You say, why can't you see this version of invisible me? Why can't you see this version of invisible me? Feeling low and below, all the clouds in a storm, sifting and searching through the sand. Look for a soft place to land. Try as you might to fit in. Want someone to understand. Why can't you see this version of invisible me? Why can't you see this version of invisible me? Why can't you see this version of invisible me?
Totally messed up the lyrics, but
Oh, you did?
yeah, at the very beginning.
My body is just like so like in dreamland still, I feel like. All right, so this next song is called Who's Gonna Be There? It's off of our second album. And goes a little something like this. 1, 2, 3,
When it feels like you're talking in circles, you're not getting anywhere anymore. And the ones you thought you could depend on have abandoned you on the shore. You're not sure of what's next. And who's gonna be there?
past yesterday's news. Yet the sun sets the same every night, regardless if you're coping through this space in time. Figured you'd have a hard time. See who's gonna be there for you when everything falls apart. Who's gonna be there for you? The streets have no name when there's no more love. When the going gets tough, who's gonna be there for you when everything falls apart? Who's gonna be there for you? The streets have no name when there's no more love. When the going gets gonna go out for a little drive just to ease my mind. This last week slipped away. My cocoon, warm and safe. I just wanna see your face. And I know, and I know, and I know it'll never be the same. Gonna get out of my heavy mind, stop wasting time, wasting away. Save this tragedy for another day. I only wish you'd call me my cocoon. There's plenty of room. My arms remain open for you. I mean no harm, and that's the truth. I just need some time in my cocoon.
Huh?